Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
All right, everybody, I'm here with Caitlin, the customer. Dominic isn't here, that's her husband. They're the ones who bought the windows, but she agreed to give us a video testimonial. So Caitlin, the first question I wanted to ask was, during the sales process, how did everything go for you guys when Alex came out to give you guys the quotes?
So I actually wasn't here for the sales process. It was my husband who dealt with all that. But all the information he relayed to me was very helpful, and we had actually a second person come out and got a quote from them. And
Absolutely.
we felt more that your company was more trustworthy and better priced, so we ended up with Windows Depot USA.
Great, I love hearing that. And then, so when the guys came out to do the install, how did they treat you and your property while they were here?
Oh, very nicely. They made sure there was like rugs put down so nothing would get dragged into the house. They're very polite to us. Made sure that we had our animals put away before they started so they wouldn't escape.
Yes.
And it went very smoothly.
Great, nothing worse than chasing a cat down the street. So since I'm hearing all that from you, I just wanted to ask, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely. Yeah, we still have our attic floor that we plan to get done with you guys next year, and anybody else who needs windows, I would definitely recommend you to them.
That's awesome. Well, Caitlin, I appreciate the business. Tell Dominic as well. And thanks everybody for watching the video.